The review compares the key differences between Little Spoon and Nurture Life, two leading children's food delivery services. The primary distinction lies in the pricing. The price range per meal for Little Spoon is $2.74 for $5.99, no shipping cost. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. In contrast, the price range per meal for Nurture Life is $5.99 to $7.49, an additional $6 shipping cost. This makes Little Spoon the more affordable option. In terms of recipe options, Little Spoon offers 26 low-fat baby blends that focus on healthy herbs and grains, including dishes like cheesy pasta, broccoli, carrots, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, white beans, and corn. Nurture Life, on the other hand, primarily features pureed meals made from fruits, vegetables, herbs, meat, and fish. Their menu for babies has 10 recipes, while the menu for toddlers and kids has 12 recipes each, including sausages, pasta, egg bites, chicken bites, and more. If you're looking for a wider variety of meal options, Nurture Life may be the better choice. Regarding refunds, Little Spoon does not provide refunds, while Nurture Life allows customers to contact the company within 24 hours of delivery and obtain a refund or credit if they are dissatisfied with their order. This makes Nurture Life more accommodating in terms of customer satisfaction. Despite the differences, both brands offer pre-made, healthy meals for children that are all natural, organic, vegan-friendly, vegetarian-friendly, gluten-free, and dairy-free. They also provide the flexibility to pause, cancel, or change your subscription plan at any time. In the reviewer's final verdict, they recommend Little Spoon if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option. However, they consider Nurture Life the overall winner due to its wider variety of meal options for babies, toddlers, and kids, as well as its more flexible refund policy. The reviewer encourages viewers to check out the products from the links provided.